In preparation for our spreadsheet assessment this Thursday coming, we did a couple of tasks that tested a range of skills, and they have been done to a variety of capability. So what I'm going to do is I've put together a short playlist, just going through some of the skills bit by bit, because regardless of what task you're doing come time assessment time, these skills are very useful and it's always good to remember them, and it's good for a couple of things: to see how you recognise what formula you should be using, but also how to go through the process of that formula. So we're going to start with this membership tab. You can see here we've got a list of members up and down. They all seem to have different membership types. They've all got unique membership IDs. Then we've got the 2021 subscription rate, the deposit and the remaining balance. So for this video we're going to do just the subscription rate. So I can see up here, and this is quite a nice one actually because it's not always on the same sheet, that there are membership details, subscription rates for 2021, and then it tells you the membership type here. So I'm reckoning that I need to get whatever the right number is up here down next to each of these for each person based on their membership type. Now there are two ways to do this. You could do a nested if, however that would be very long-winded. It would take a long time. There would be so many ifs inside it, it would not be a good way to do it. Basically the rule of thumb is if there are more than 3 things in one of these little tables or more than 3 criteria, you're going to be doing a VLOOKUP. So we do our VLOOKUP, we start equals VLOOKUP, and then we open our brackets. So the value we're looking up is this here. We're looking to see where this is in this list, and the area we're going to look at it in is in this table here. Now that is a range, so the moment you've highlighted more than 2 cells it is known as a range, and if it's ever a range you always want to hit the F4 button to make that an absolute range for absolute cell referencing. Then press comma to go into our column index number. So column index number is the number of the column from the table that we have highlighted that we want it to return. So we want, this is column 1, so this must be column 2, so we want the number 2 in here. Now we can see that all the membership types here exactly match all the ones up here, so you can double click to do false, or you can put the number 0, then you'll close your bracket and you'll see here that it's pulled that through. Now it's not in the right format, so I would always try and change the format before I copied it down. Then when you copy it down, you'll see it works all the way down, and it's good to just randomly spot check some. So here we go, this one says white gold 80, white gold 80, and that is your VLOOKUP done for this task.